Hi and welcome back. Today we will show you how to take assessments in Literacy Pro. After you log in, go to the navigation panel and click on the Assessment tab. This tab launches the Lit Pro test. This tab is only active when students have a test to take, which was assigned by your teacher. If you have previously taken a Lit Pro test, the test results and taken date will be shown here. Click on the Take the Lit Pro test button to begin the test. At the Lit Pro test page, there are two buttons. Do it later allows you to pause and resume the test at a later time. Take the test now. Start the Lit Pro test. Let's click on Take the test now to proceed. The next screen shows the test directions. The test may begin with practice questions, depending on the Lit Pro test settings by your teacher. You may exit the test, and the test session will be saved. Click on the Start Test button to resume a test. Click on X button to exit the test page. Let's click on Start Test to proceed. The Lit Pro test consists of 20 to 30 questions and it's adaptive. The questions for every student will be different based on how he or she is answering them. Read each question and click to answer the question. Clicking on an answer activates the Next button. Click on the Next button to save the answer and move on to the next question. You may skip up to 3 questions if you have difficulty in answering them. To skip a question, click on the Skip button. After completing the practice questions, you will see a message saying the rest of the questions will be scored. Click on Let's Go to continue. When you have completed the Lit Pro test, depending on the Lit Pro test settings, you may be able to see your results. Click on the X to exit the test page or click on Start Reading button to go back to the home page. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.